Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best pillows for stomach sleepers on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Linen Spa Memory Foam Pillow. Linen Spa's Memory Foam Pillow offers superior comfort at an incredible value. This 2-pack of pillows offers personalized support and is designed to conform to any sleeping position. Stomach, back, and side sleepers alike will all benefit from the customized comfort each pillow provides. What stands out to me about this product is that it's filled with shredded memory foam, which makes it easily pliable so you can shape, fluff, and mold the pillow to your preference. What we like about it. Available in standard, queen, and king sizes. Comes in a set of 2 pillows. Certiper US shredded memory foam filling. What we don't like about it. Some find them to be understaffed. Number 2. Blue Wave Bedding Memory Foam Pillow. Blue Wave Bedding's Memory Foam Pillow is a versatile choice for stomach, back, and side sleepers seeking medium firm support in a low-profile design. What I love about it is the cooling gel infusion that effectively dissipates excess heat, ensuring a consistently cool sleeping surface all night. Meanwhile, available in a variety of different heights and sizes, you're sure to find the perfect pillow for reducing stress on your shoulders, neck, and back. Simultaneously, its strategically placed ventilation holes help enhance airflow for a breathable, more refreshing sleep environment. What we like about it. Thinner than typical memory foam pillows. Dull provides good cooling power. Flexible, breathable, and cool. What we don't like about it. May have an unpleasant chemical smell. Number 3. Blissberry Stomach Sleeping Pillow. With a design that prioritizes comfort and alignment, Blissberry's pillow is tailor-made for stomach sleepers. Crafted from memory foam, it alleviates lower back and neck strain, enhancing your overall sleep experience. The gel-infused memory foam stays cool, while the pillow's breathable construction ensures night-long comfort and gentle head support, potentially aiding with snoring concerns. Offered in white or gray, this pillow for stomach sleepers effortlessly complements various bedsheets. Even better, the package includes a double-weave bamboo polyester pillowcase that effectively manages moisture. What we like about it. Firm, low-profile design. Soft and plush feel on both sides. Comes with a reusable drawstring backpack. What we don't like about it. May be too firm for some. Number 4. 3 Geese Goose Feather Pillow. The 3 Geese adjustable goose feather pillow has been designed for those seeking a customizable pillow that provides comfort and support for stomach sleepers. With 3 pillow inserts filled with goose feathers, you can easily personalize your sleep experience. The option to stack or use them separately allows you to create the perfect height and feel, a feature I find impressive, especially as they fit neatly within the pillowcase. This 1000 thread count, 100% cotton pillowcase is not only soft, but also features a secure zipper enclosure, ensuring the stacked layers stay in place for tailored neck support. What we like about it. Adjustable height allows for customized comfort. Ultra-soft pillowcase keeps layers in place. Sleeps cool and comfortable. What we don't like about it. Makes an annoying crunching noise. Number 5. Octify Adjustable Cervical Pillow. The Octify Adjustable Cervical Pillow is a unique pillow designed to provide ultimate support and spine alignment for back, side, and stomach sleepers. Featuring an adjustable height with a 70-degree neck wedge extension and 60-degree shoulder side panels, this pillow is designed to help with neck, back, and shoulder pain. This is because the design allows your neck to drop into the pillow, rather than being strained like on a normal pillow. What we like about it. Available in multiple colors. Supports different sleeping positions. Provides firm support while still being plush. What we don't like about it. Design can take some getting used to. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.